Hi everyone. Thanks for joining our webinar, Grow with SAP, All You Need to Know. My name is Daria Tureshova. I am a sales manager at ACBaltica. And today with me is my colleague, our SAP expert, Alexander Kunevich. Hi Alex, how are you?
Hello Daria, I'm nice. How are you?
Fine, thanks. I think it's been around half a year since we last met here to talk about conversion from ECC to S/4HANA.
Indeed.
Yeah, and now we would like to discuss another hot topic that SAP offers, Grow with SAP. I have prepared a list of questions to you.
Okay.
And would like to ask them during our meeting, our interview. And moreover, if any from our attendees have any questions during our conversation, you can ask them in Q&A session. And in the end, Alex and I will be happy to answer. I think that we can start our conversation with a brief introduction of our company ACBaltica. Our company ACBaltica is an SAP Platinum partner and also the member of United Varas organization. We have a headquarters in Vilnius in Lithuania and also a representative office in Warsaw in Poland. We have been working with SAP for more than 20 years, and our team consists of 140 SAP specialists. They have delivered more than 150 projects in 10 plus countries. Our expertise can be generally divided into two large departments. The first department works with the customer experience products, both on-premise and cloud. And the second department works with the ECC and S/4HANA analytics and also development and integration. In ECC and S/4HANA, we have two main focuses at the moment. The first is conversion from ECC to S/4HANA, brownfield conversion, and the second is the topic of our webinar, Grow with SAP. I have prepared a list of questions here, like a cheat sheet, not to forget to ask you anything. So I'll be glancing here from time to time, if you don't mind, Alex.
No problem.
Okay, so let's start. My first question is, Grow with SAP the same as S/4HANA, or is it just another name for S/4HANA? And what is the difference between Grow with SAP and SAP S/4HANA? Can you please explain more?
Yeah, for sure. For many, Grow with SAP is just the synonym of S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition. However, this is not entirely correct. So indeed, this is an offering that helps you to implement ERP solution as fast as possible and easy, but it offers more tools than just an ERP solution. In fact, it consists of four main pillars that together make the implementation impressively fast and predictable.
Thank you. And what are those pillars and what is included in Grow with SAP package?
The first one is the S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition itself, the cloud-based ERP solution. The second one is BTP. This is a business technology platform. This is a core for the ERP solution, and it also a platform for application development and accessibility that helps you to adapt the system to the current business needs. Also, the activation services. SAP offers the services that help you to speed up the implementation and also make sure that you see the value as soon as possible. And the last point is the knowledge and training set of tools, resources for user education to help you use the solution, SAP solution, effectively.
Thank you. And is this offering the same for every company, or can it be customized depending on the needs of a certain business?
In fact, Grow with SAP is not just one size fits all solution. It offers flexibility, and it can be modular. So we offer it offers two main options, two main editions: Base and Premium. So the Base, Grow with SAP Base Edition, it's the core package of ERP solution, designed to support digital transformation of your business, and it also includes such tools like group reporting, like Ariba buying, access to business technology platform, and work zone. Also, but it's just solution ideal for the customers that want robust process automation and reporting capabilities, but they do not require additional financial features or, let's say, customer management tools. The second edition is the Premium, Grow with SAP Premium Edition. It has everything included in the base package, and on the top, it gives more features, more capabilities for finance, planning, and customer engagement. I can name things like cash management, receivables management, for example, advanced financial closing, also sales clouds, Concur expense. So these are the main things also included in the premium package.
I know that there is another offer that is called RISE with SAP. Could you explain the difference between Grow with SAP and RISE with SAP?
Yes, sure. So in fact, two solutions have S/4HANA public clouds as their core. The difference is in the deployments. So Grow with SAP offers deployments in public clouds, and RISE with SAP offers deployments in the private clouds. So the difference in the deployment option also let's say, influences the way how it will be customized, how it will be used, and it determines the difference in functionality as well. So I can say that it serves different business at different stages of growth and with distinct transformation goals.
Now let's say some words about the potential customers. Who is Grow with SAP for, and how should I understand that I should consider it, and why can't I simply implement S/4HANA?
Daria, in most cases we offer Grow with SAP for the customers that didn't use SAP before. So like new customers, they never used SAP products, and they want to start quickly with an easy-to-use system in the cloud. They also don't want to learn projects and spend a lot of budget on it. They just want modern cloud-based solution, and we can help. So SAP can help with Grow with SAP existing. Also, the second group of the customers is imagine you have a headquarter company already running public cloud or private clouds, and they acquire a new business. They want to add this company in the group, so they need to incorporate it in the group reporting as fast as possible. So also Grow with SAP is ideal for them. And the third group of customers, this is existing customers that already use SAP solutions, but older versions, for example ECC, and they want to move to the clouds, but at the same they are ready, let's say, to leave the customized system behind. They want and they're ready to use the proven standards of SAP, the best practices. So this is also an option, and in general, Grow with SAP is a good option for companies that want to keep the things simple. And also to move fast. They don't want long projects. They just want to use the pre-built templates called best practices, and that means they do not need to start from scratch. They don't want to reinvent things, reinvent the wheel, and they just can use the pre-built templates. Implementation timeline is very quick. Let's say the average implementation is about from 4 to 6 months. So it also influences the budget, of course. So it's ideal for the companies that wants to move fast, that prefer to use the best practices. They don't need a lot of customized things in the system. And in general, to summarize this all, as Grow with SAP is a simpler, faster version of S/4HANA made for businesses that want value without extra hassle.
So looks like Grow is a perfect match for small and mid-sized companies or the subsidiaries of large enterprises that would like to get all the benefits of SAP ERP solution. And by the way, what are the key benefits of Grow with SAP?
We can name 5 main benefits, 5 main advantages, let's say. So the first one is efficiency. So Grow with SAP helps you work smarter, not harder. It gathers all the areas of business like finance, inventory, production in one place, in one system, in one environment. So you can save time, the team can save time, reduce mistakes, and make faster business decisions with real-time data. Security and compliance, very important thing. So with this solution, the data is protected. So this is a cloud solution with a very good data protection. And also you stay compliant. So SAP also helps you to be compliant with the legal rules and like GDPR, also legislation rules. And also you don't need to worry about it if something changes in the legislation, for example. The third thing is innovation. So this is continuous innovation of the system. You always have the latest features, latest innovations available without extra effort from your side. So this is a cloud solution, and SAP is constantly improving it with the new features, new performance, new functionalities like AI, for example, like automation. And it's all this is being deployed in the system automatically, so without no extra effort or preparation from your side. The scalability, the next point, the system literally grows with your business, so you can start small, and when needed, you can add new features, new countries when you expand the markets, or functions where needed. So, and you do not need to re-implement the system or switch systems. The system is ready to scale when you are. And the flexibility, of course. So while this is pre-built, it uses pre-built processes. We all know that every business is unique. So every company has like a secret sauce that is unique for them, and it's also possible to add new features in the system, to add custom reports, or even new applications, because this is built. Grow with SAP is built on a business technology platform, so you can use it for customization, for additional changes.
And now let's clarify how quickly can a company implement Grow with SAP, and what does the timing depend on?
To tell you what, in fact, the first processes can be implemented just in 3 or 4 weeks. Of course, let's be honest, this is not about the full timeline of the project, but I mean the working system that you can start working with, playing with, investigating the new functionalities. And then you can start adding new processes, features, customers, and markets. And so thanks to the cloud native infrastructure, the system is ready to scale up, and it will support your growth and adapt to the changes when needed. But in general, the timeline depends on the scope, of course. This is always the same, and it depends on the features and functionalities that you want to have in the system. But in general, the timeline is about from 4 to 6 months. So in comparison with the other implementations, this is impressively fast.
Yeah, that's really sounds very impressive. And why is Grow with SAP so fast to implement?
The main reason is that it is built on pre-built processes, best practices. You do not need to, the companies do not need to reinvent and build everything from scratch. So the system is ready to be used out of the box. A lot of processes are already pre-configured in the system, so you can use it for all the departments, for all the lines of business in the company, like sales, finance, inventory. So another reason is that this is a cloud solution, so meaning that you do not need to build hardware, you do not spend time on building the IT infrastructure. So it all helps to implement the system, to implement the project just in a few months, not years, and you can start feeling value very soon.
And tell me more about the implementation tools you use in Grow with SAP.
We can name several tools that helps us to implement, to discover, to investigate, and to implement Grow with SAP. So as already mentioned, SAP provides a lot of tools that will help us, will help the customer, and also help the partner who performed the implementation to make it efficient. The first thing I can mention is Signavio Process Insights. It helps you to understand how your current ERP solution works. It analyzes the real data and matches the processes with the cloud solution that shows you what needs to be improved, already works well, and it also matches the SAP best practices with the processes that you already use in your solution now. The second point is DDA, Digital Discovery Assessment, very useful tool that we use in the pre-sale cycle. In fact, you just need to answer, it keeps asking simple questions, and you just answer the questions, what you want to see in the system, what functionalities you will use, and it defines the scope. It shows you, what you need to implement in the system and what features you would like you will see. So at the end, you will see the scope of the implementation, and also get the idea of the timing and the budget of the implementation. So this is very, very useful tool. The third is Cloud ALM, Application Lifecycle Management Tool. So this is a tool to manage the implementation from start to finish. Basically, it helps you to operate and maintain the cloud ERP implementation. So you can track the progress of the implementation, you can assign some tasks, you can test also the system in ALM and handle updates. So this is all in one place. Then the central business configuration. This is allows you to set up and adjust the settings for all areas like in the clouds, so you can manage all the settings there. And remember, in DDA we discovered the scope. So what we can do, we can just export the scope from DDA and import it to CBC, Central Business Configuration. So meaning you don't need to configure everything again and again, you save time. So this is a very good advantage. And so the last but not least, this is SAP for me. This is portal, a personal portal to everything SAP. It shows the company data, the licenses, the information about the project, all the details. So you can use it for self-service, like to check the system status, ask for help, manage users. So yeah.
Thanks. During our interview, you several times mentioned best practices. And what are these best practices included in SAP Grow?
In fact, best practices is a proven way of working that's has been proved by many companies all over the world that used SAP. And since SAP is a global leader in ERP solutions for, let's say, 50 years, so indeed, this is the experience that you can really trust. And SAP includes all those processes in the system, so you can just activate and use them without building them from scratch. So it can, for example, how to manage the sales orders, to track inventory, or manage the digital payments or plan production. So for sure, the processes differ from country to country, but from legislation to legislation, different for business, different business areas, different industries, and of course, SAP addresses all that. So no doubts, you'll be able to localize those best practices.
Mm-hmm. From time to time, from our potential customers, I hear the concern that the solution is impossible to be customized. To dispel their doubts, could you please tell if it can be customized or not?
Daria, this is a very common question that we are being asked, and while this is built on the standard best practices to make it the setup faster, still the system allows customizing, flexibility, so you can adjust the settings, you can add more features, you can add custom reports where needed, you can build applications, of course. So this is all based on the business technology platform. So meaning this is, even if it is a fit to standard solution, still you have room to extend it.
Thanks a lot. Well, actually, Alex, it was my last question, but I will later check if we have any questions from our audience. And now I would like to summarize that Grow with SAP is an ideal offer for small and mid-sized companies that would like to achieve all the benefits of SAP ERP solution. This solution is fast and easy to implement thanks to the best practices and implementation tools. And if you are ready to grow your business with SAP Grow, we are ready to be your implementation partner. I believe that we can offer you proven expertise in SAP solutions. We can find the best possible solution tailored for your needs and for your particular business. We can provide you end-to-end support, and of course, we can offer a very good price to quality ratio and rather competitive prices. And now I would like to jump to our Q&A session and review if we have any questions. I see that we do. The first question is, what about integration with SAP and non-SAP products? Alex, can you comment on it?
Yeah, sure. So SAP Grow with SAP for HANA public clouds can be easily connected with both SAP and non-SAP systems. It comes with the APIs interfaces that help different systems talk to each other smoothly. So meaning you can connect your Grow, your public cloud solution to SAP solutions like SuccessFactors, Ariba, for example, and also non-SAP, or maybe Salesforce, or other financial or manufacturing software. So this is possible. It has very good integration capabilities.
Thank you. The next question is, hi, what are its licensing and pricing options? I would say that the topic of subscription, licensing and pricing and everything connected with it can be discussed with you during our personal session, because we will need to define the scope, we will need to define your business needs and requirements to understand the overall scope of the project and to prepare the best possible offer for you and for your particular business. So if you would like to learn more about the subscription model of Grow with SAP, we would be more than happy to arrange additional meeting and to discuss it with you. And now let's see. Hello, what industries can benefit from Grow with SAP the most?
It's hard to say, because SAP provides the best practices for, let's say, every industry. But yeah, I can say that in most cases, it's being used for like manufacturing industries, for retail, wholesale distribution, professional services, high-tech companies.
Thanks, Alex. I see that there are no questions as for now, but I believe that if there are any questions left, or if you would like to arrange additional personal meeting or session with us, of course, you can reach out to our company, ACBaltica, either via phone numbers or email that you see on your screen. Thank you very much, Alex, for this nice conversation.
Thank you.
Yeah, I believe that our audience have learned a lot about Grow with SAP. And thanks everyone for joining us today. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.